KIDZ. Let's see what we can do here. Even here with 315.
LHSW. SVIT. KTCZ.
Let me see if I can get in a little lower. 120. There it is, 18. Probably not getting here.
LHSW.
Stop is there. There's a seller there, but I think we can hold.
KTCZ.
Need to go now. Next candle.
LHSW.
So many sellers, bro. That place has too many sellers there. Oh, there it goes. Next candle worked. All right, holding 1K. Have to be a little patient there. Ended up working.
KTCZ.
The sellers at 22 were pretty huge.
SVIT.
Can't we get this thing through? Nice. 30. There you go.
KIDZ. ETCZ. LHSW.
Can start writing 400 at least. Dip. Um, 29. We could get a move higher. What do we think? We got volume coming through. 30s is holding. All right, getting it out. 32. I'm gonna wait for a dip here. Going to wait for a dip here. 29 to 22. I think it's going to dip. Watching. In this area. 29 to 22. Come on. The seller there. What's the flow? Is the flow any crazy? The float is 1 million. Maybe they're back holders. Lee gives a very good div here. Come on, 29. I'm buying already. People already buying. 28, 28. Fine. Nope, no fill. No fill on that. No fill. Just a tad too late on that buy. Come on, retest 29. No, I think it's too strong. Might not retest.
LHSW.
Hmm.
KIDZ.
It's looking pretty heavy. But it's pushing.
LHSW. KIDZ.
It's pushing.
KIDZ. SOXI.
New 5-minute here.
STZ.
Sellers at 36.
SOXI.
This is dropping a little faster now. I don't know if I want to get into 28 here. I think it accumulated a lot on the past few candles. I guess I was wrong. 27. Bounce to 34. The volume's still good. The volume profile looking good.
HIV.
Daily, man, daily could be anywhere. No real target on the daily. Maybe 2, maybe 150.
KIDZ.
Okay, here we go. This might actually start going here.
KIDZ.
34. We'll get in here. Stop is pretty tight. I see the volume coming in there. 38, 40.
ICC there.
KIDZ. ICC there.
I want this thing to push.
KIDZ.
Ready to buy more. Volume came in there. Come on, boys. Come on. Nice. 44. 45. Taking half right there. 44. Looking for 50.
KIDZ.
50. 50 on the rest.
LHSW.
47.
KIDZ.
KIDZ.
That might be topping out there. We'll see next candle. Taking it off. See if it wants to hold. Or did we just top out there?
KIDZ.
All right, nice.
KIDZ.
LUCY.
Nice, 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 nice. $48. It made some 50.
LUCY.
KIDZ.
ICCN. KIDZ.
Mhm.
LUCY.
KIDZ.
Taking some off.
CCN.
KIDZ.
And we're making a new low.
LUCY.
All right, candle making a new low. Out. So I guess that was a fair trade. Did not trust here. I did not get a fill here. Didn't trust it here, thinking maybe I accumulated a lot. It was pretty heavy. So I'm thinking maybe it's gonna fail. It actually worked. Got in here 36. Sorry, 35, then scaled down the way out. Was looking for 50.
LUCY.
Maybe we get a dip here, Lucy. 16 to 11.
LUCY.
18. Not quite 16. I like that little gap there, 16 to 11 for a nice bounce. Area of support where we can grab it. Here we go. 20 seconds left on that candle. Could potentially grab this dip.
LUCY.
SOXL. ABL.
Picked up some volume. Looks like it picked up some volume. You'll see 19, 18. That's the best probably 1918 might be the best I could get, but struggling here at 21. Looking for this to retest. A little lower, see if it wants to find support here. Once I know I find support and I'm right at support, I'm golden, but it seems like it's going to go here. 25. 25.
LUC1.
Small size, 25. What do we think? I'm gonna hold off here. Hold off.
KIDZ.
Hold off. VWAP is 107. It's gonna be a pretty interesting dip here.
LHSW.
How much are you gonna dip? 16? Bro, bro. Barely touched 16 and it bounced. I'll be patient on this dip. Let's see.
KIDZ. ICCA. LUC1.
Okay.
LUC1.
Okay. 25.
KIDZ.
25 again, huh? 25 again. Smaller size here.
LUC1.
Second time up there, but it's not holding. So 2 times over 25 did not hold. Are you gonna reclaim 25 now? Okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yep. So now we got that snap. Now probably we're good here.
LUC1.
Now we're probably good here.
LUC1.
Brother, give me a nice little dip here. Michael pull back. 30s is holding.
QT
KIDZ.
You got that snapping move over 25 to 30. We like that. We want to see how well it retests 25 to 30 area. Yeah, no chance. No chance to get in for me.
KIDZ.
LUC1.
LUC1. KIDZ. ICCN.
It's like so
KIDZ.
strange. I can get in here 29 to 25.
LUCY.
Stop, bro. So weird. Okay. Bro, I missed it. I missed it.
LUCY.
Did I miss it? It, it gave 28, 29. I didn't jump in fast enough.
KIDZ.
Ooh,
LUCY. KJEX.
SEY. KJTX.
LHSW.
go to the end.
IRO.
KTDX. KJEX.
What do you want to do here?
IRM.
It's like lingering there.
SEY. IRO. IRX.
Fine, I'll get in there. Mm. 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 Oh, out.
LHSW.
It kept being bouncy and bouncy, but the time I went to 25, where it actually,
KJEX.
the area where it actually kept rejecting and rejecting 25, I thought 25 would be like prime area for a bounce,
PIFI.
like really prime area for a bounce. But it just lingered too suspiciously there. So
LHSW.
I might get in there. Oh, 8 under 10. I would get in there under 10.
KJEX.
Mm. Almost got caught in some big loss. So thankfully, I got out. Got out right on time. Wow, all the way up here to 5.
KJEX. G-Grenades.
Maybe I'll go a little smaller here. I want to average into this.
KTDX.
UTUX.
That's a
KJEX.
crazy drop.
G-Grenades.
Shorts want to send this to $1. Are they gonna get it? Maybe.
LHSW.
You got a whole 50 here. Bang. Bang. Wow. Okay, we haven't seen one of those in a long time.
Easy.
Jeez. By the time I'm thinking about it, it's gone. It's freaking gone, this thing. Oh, I get in 680s. 680s, back over 7. Come on, come on. Back over 7, back over 7, back over 7. That's too dangerous. Liquidity is good though. Ah, that's such a shame.
LHSW.
I was thinking about it a lot. Didn't think it would make that explosive move, but now that I think about it, look how these explosive moves happen. So, um, it happened here, happened here. So that was a good area to add to get in.
Easy.
Using less.
So 640. What do we got? We're gonna get a nice dip here. I'm in there, 67. In there, 67. The low of it is 660. I wanted to get another leg up. Can you do another leg up? Another push higher?
KIDZ.
80s, 85,
KIDZ.
small size, over 7, maybe I could add over 7. Nice. Nice. Come on. Stop his break even here. Testing 70s. Like to see this go. It's too long, lingering here for too long. Here we go, nice, 90. It's getting shorted at 7. I think what the algos want to do, we want to keep squeezing. You gotta be quick on the exit because it could flush. Watching the charts, watching the pattern. The big seller shows up, might actually get out. Your seller's at 7. They're lingering here. Got a decent entry. Bang, 90. 7, there you go. Squeeze, 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 squeeze.
LHSW.
Oh, I had to get out on that. I had to get out on that drop because you could see this thing come down to 580. Woo! All right. All right, here we go. We are watching KIDZ and LHSW. I do want to take some size here at the open. If I can get a dip down here, 12. Might go right away. We have a bit of resistance here, 20, 23 to 28. So let's get it. Let's see what we can do. We're riding VWAP at 16. I'd love to see a dip here and then get that move over to resistance in the 20s, mid 20s.
Thank you.
That's the resistance I'm looking for. Yep. And then 17. I'm looking for a dip actually. Look for a dip first, but we'll see what it wants to do. LHSW dip, dipping. 34 is a fold up, so what are we gonna do here? 17. Are we able to hold 17 or are we gonna dip? Volume, volume, volume. Let's see, come in.
KIDZ. CCW.
Sellers at 21. No, it's not looking. Oh, look at that dip now. Oh, 6 to hold down. 11.
Yes.
Yep, touched this area and then immediately came down. So 11 there. Touch that level 13, 12. You see, I don't know if it'll have strong volume on the way down. We'll see. 12. What's my stop? I mean, under 10? Yeah, so 12 is good, under 10 being the stop. They still have this red resistance here, but I might wait a little longer. LHSW.
KIDZ.
680.
LHSW. CCSW.
680 there. Ooh. 800 shares could get smoked, man. You can get smoked with that. Well, that is 560. Super aggressive dip there, 560.
See or join there. IPLS. YRD. LUCY.
CCMD. Jeez.
SOC. YRD.
Still waiting. Okay. Here it needs to fail, bro. You gotta fail here.
CCMD.
If you're not gonna fail, we're going up. So I'll take it right here at VWAP. 1K. 17. 1K. Stop is basically a break of 15. There you go. So I'm gonna add here. So I'm thinking we're gonna finally get the squeeze we want. So uh, having resistance at 25, but I think we can break it. We're folding.
LHSW.
I'll add right there 20, 18. Buyers, nice. I think we can break through that. 25 there. 30. Nice. Going into the fault. Taking some out there. Taking some out there. Holding 400 into this hold. Nice. So we get rid of this gap. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get in here one more time. The low that is 28. So anything under 20. Fine. Oop. Might have added a little too high there. What's 31 actually? So stop is going to be, ooh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Holding everything 31. Sadly, not much size. 1,000 there. Wants to add. I added 600 though. Didn't add more than that. So that's what I thought would happen. Unwinded basically everything. 37, 36, 34. Holding this break even here. Big seller 35 getting out. Oh, okay. Breaking 35. I'll look for the next opportunity. Good move there. Just 1K just to sort of test that area. I was ready to slam it, but oh, all right. Let's see if we can get another trade here. I want to see a dip here. See how will he hold 25.
SNDQ.
See over.
I want to see this thing dip. I want to see this thing dip. Really want to see this thing dip, knowing that it could do it, knowing that it could find support. Here we go, high is 48. Before you make your move to 48, I want to see this dip. Come on. I might not actually dip, so here we go, 38. Oh, that's a dip right there, 36. 40 seconds for this next 5-minute candle. It's not making a new low yet. Next 5-minute here, it could dip. What's this area? I wanted to see it a little dip. I did get 33 on that low. Wow, amazing. Yeah, it's not going to give that dip, so I have to be ready. I have to be ready to take it in at 30. With a stop at 30. Every 10 cents. Dip down there at 34. We're forming a 5-minute gap, which is good.
LHSW and UMass and TCL.
We're in a 5-minute gap pretty soon. Well, not pretty soon, in 3 minutes. So sellers started showing up here. We'll take it here with a stop at 25 if it can get under 30. In right there, 29. Give me that bounce, brother. Give me that bounce that I so want. Big sellers there, 35. All right, gonna hold 1K here. There were sellers there at 30, 35. They're still there. Nice. Okay. Good. So 32, 29, 32, 34, 42. What can we do here? Are we going for the breakout? Selling some there, 39.
KIDZ, LHAR, LHSW, LUCY, SKYQ,
43. Nice dip. I think we might squeeze here. It's looking very squeezy. This is looking very squeezy here. Watching. I'd stop here. Watching.
LHSW,
40. 40 is holding.
SKYQ,
This is looking very squeezy here. Okay, never mind. Never mind, never mind. I'm still holding 600 flat.
SKYQ,
Mm, 40.
LUCY, MB, CCMB, ILR,
Taking some more out, the 40s.
MB, CCMB,
Over 40. All right, here we go. Can you hold 40? Yep. Brother, false breakout. Okay, out everything there on that, what looked like a false breakout.
CCMB,
A lot of chop here, but got in on that dip at 29.
ASKS,
What else is moving? Lucy. Essentially, Lucy.
LUCY,
Thing about Lucy is we have some resistance right here, all the way up to here. I don't know about that. Not on the 5-minute though. These are on 1-minute resistance. I could go for a double bottom here. Double bottom.
LHSW,
Let's see what this next candle is going to do.
LHSW.
Okay. Is it? Double bottom here, 25 seems to be holding strong, but nasty 5-minute candle forming. Unless we're able to turn this candle green. It's not a nice candle. Okay, we got something going here. $27 to 29, possible dip here. Hopefully we get it, man. Hopefully we get it here. Ah, kind of really high up there. 45. 43, 42. Could be a nice cap and go there if it holds 40. You hold 40, could be good. Dang it. Yeah, 40 level was good. We may chase this hold. We may chase this hold. Watching. Cool. So we got that explosive move there. I didn't think this would do it, man. I really didn't think after all this chop. After all that chop, it was tough to read. Anyway, opening 60, yeah, dip and rip when it resumes. 100% dip and rip when it resumes. All right, here we go. We're going for a move here. Dip and rip, 5K. Let's do it. We got our beautiful setup here. Break of pre-market high. Dip under 60. We'll get it. Hopefully we get a nice dip here. Dip under 60. Any freaking dip under 60. There it is. Go. Ah, you son of a gun. 54. 61 to 57. Not getting in there. Yep. 59. 59. Oh, I got destroyed. Down 200. All right, so that was an unfortunate $600 loss there. So I'm down 240. Gotta size down a little bit. I mean, that's pretty unfortunate. That sucks, actually. We're looking for a dip in a rib. We're looking for it again. I think this thing drops so fast. But, you know, we're stepping up to the plate with big size. That's what we got to do. So this is going to resume flat. Maybe there's something here. I'll take a dip and a rip. So 37 is that top of that gap. So we'll take a dip and a rip. You give me under anything under 40. There's a little gap right there too, right above 37. 45, assuming flat.
CCYD.
Let's not give a dip. Under 40 dip, did not give it. Looking for under 40 dip. Didn't quite get it. Maybe I'll get it here. Oh, there, oop, there it was. I tried, it was fast. Did not give me time to react. More sellers there now. There it is. Dip under. I'll get in here, 32. There's a seller there, but I think we can pop. That was pretty break even here. $38. Yeah, stopping break even. Stopping break even there. It's just to stop me out, huh? Just to stop me out.
LECY. I see. That's HF.
Hmm. I 75 could be a good stop here. I mean, if it wants to keep going here, wants to jump. Big spread, 10-cent spread sometimes. It's holding though. Topping wick. Let's see what it wants to do here though. $75 could be the stop there.
LHSW.
People are buying. What's happening? $74 to 79.
KIDZ.
It's holding. I'll get in here. And 79, 90. Let's go. Sellers there. Can we break 90? Test 7 again. Come on. Nice. Hmm. Out 717. Okay, very good. So managed to get that gap and go here, which seemed pretty tight right there in the 75. Kept holding and holding. So goes up to 37, 40. Okay, looks like we're opening up. And it was just not a double top. It looks like we're gonna open up here. 60s. Okay, cool. Cool, 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 cool. But back down to 20s. Hmm. All right, cutting that in half. We'll see. We'll see what this market has for me later. Though I don't really like this now. It's retracing too much. Oof. Yeah, I don't want to trade this. This is tough. It's tough action right here. Like if you didn't get that breakout, you're looking to find a dip, and then you're just getting smoked. All right, we're gonna call it here. We're down 129. We took some big size today, and we got destroyed on some of these trades. Anyway, I'm working with DAWs and trying to get my hotkeys, my hot buttons working. Um, so anyway, this is it. Do I want to go into that trade? Well, let's see. This was a trade that was pretty brutal. Yeah, 59.45. I was doing really well on this stock. I must say I was doing really well. I was doing really well on it. But man, and as I stepped up to the plate, fell flat on my face, but that's okay. We're desensitizing from the money, right? So we can't throw away this day. It sucks that this is the case, but
You know, if it would have worked, it would have been a fantastic day. Anyway, we're getting closer to being a much better trader. We're right this month, and I think, you know, we're just having a difficult time introducing the big size like today, introducing that big size and keeping it, and you know, not hesitating on my entries when I see it and I got, you know, 1,000, 2,000 shares locked in, ready to go, 3, 5, you know, and it's that hesitation, that just slight half a second, 1 second, 2 second hesitation changes my entry, changes my average, changes my mindset, and you know, trying to get it, trying to get trying to get over it, you know, trying to get over it, trying to be a better trader. Anyway, that being said, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. Free trading analysis tool, try it for free. Check out all our features. We got awesome features there, trusted by the community. And yeah, $5 a month, 50 a year. We got more users joining, so come check it out. What else do we got? Yeah, hit me up on Discord, and I will see you tomorrow. Brother.